Question 6. The table gives information about the temperatures in, I can't pronounce that, Reykjavik, for 5 days, 1 week. So question A says, what day has the highest maximum temperature? So if we look at the maximum temperatures, we've got a bunch of negative numbers down here, 6, an 8, and a 5. So therefore 8 degrees is the highest maximum temperature, which is a Tuesday. Remember to answer what the question is asking. If you don't write down Tuesday and if instead you wrote down 8 degrees, you may not get that mark. Question asked for the day. Part B, what is the lowest minimum temperature? So if we look at the minimum temperature, we've got 4, 6, -2, -4, and -6. If we ignored the negative symbols, it would obviously be the 2. But because we're dealing with negatives, we want to get as far away from 0 as possible. And that means the -6 is much, much lower down than any of the other numbers. So the lowest temperature is -6. Part C said which day had the greatest difference between the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature. Now this question's worth 2 marks, so we're going to have to do a little bit of working out here. Let's just look and see what the differences are between the minimum and maximum temperatures for each day. On Monday, it's the difference between 4 and 5, so that's only 1 degree. On Tuesday, it's between 8 and 6, so that's only 2 degrees difference. On Wednesday, it's gone from 6 degrees down to -2. So that's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. That's a difference of 8 degrees. On Thursday, we've gone from -1 to -4. So that's -1, -2, -3, -4. That's only 3 degrees difference. On Friday, we're starting at -3. So we go -3, -4, -5, -6, which means we only have a 3 degree difference. So the biggest difference happened on Wednesday. We could have shown our working out even further by writing down 5 take away 4, but by showing that we've worked out all of the differences here, it will be enough for our calculation mark and then our final answer.